Now I am waking up in my cozy bedroom. The morning sun is shining through the window. I slowly open my eyes and smile. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. My room feels warm, bright, and peaceful. I feel happy and ready for today. This morning feels calm and beautiful. I sit up and look around the room. Everything feels fresh and quiet. I can hear soft sounds from outside. Birds are singing near the window. The air feels cool and clean. I smile at the beautiful sunlight. My blanket still feels soft and warm. I feel excited for the new day. Today will be full of nice moments. I am ready to start my day. Now I am brushing my teeth in the bathroom. I look at myself in the mirror. The cool water helps me wake up. I wash my face very gently. My bathroom is bright and clean. I brush my hair carefully. Then I choose a comfortable outfit. I like soft and simple clothes. My morning routine feels relaxing. It helps me start slowly. I already feel fresh and confident. I put on my favorite shirt. The mirror light looks soft. Everything feels calm this morning. I smile because I feel good. My day is starting beautifully. Now I am ready for breakfast. Now I am in the kitchen. I am making eggs and toast. I also pour orange juice. The kitchen smells warm and delicious. Breakfast is my favorite meal. It gives me energy for the day. I place everything on the table. The food looks colorful and tasty. I sit down and smile. I enjoy every bite slowly. This breakfast makes me happy. The toast is crispy and warm. The juice tastes fresh and sweet. Morning light fills the kitchen. I love this peaceful moment. Now I feel full and energized. I am ready to go outside. Now I am walking to the coffee shop. The streets are calm this morning. People are walking to work. The city feels alive and bright. I open the glass door. Warm coffee smells welcome me inside. The shop feels cozy and friendly. Soft music is playing quietly. I walk to the counter. I smile at the barista. I order my favorite cappuccino. The cups look warm and cute. Fresh pastries smell amazing too. I love this cozy atmosphere. Everyone looks relaxed and happy. I cannot wait to taste it. This place always makes me smile. Now I am taking the bus. I sit by the window. I love watching the city. Shops are opening outside. Cars move slowly on the road. People are crossing the street. The sunlight looks beautiful. The ride feels calm and easy. I enjoy this quiet moment. The city looks busy now. I see people with coffee cups. The buildings shine in the sun. The bus moves smoothly forward. I like morning bus rides. My stop is coming soon. I feel ready for work. It is going to be a productive day. Now I am arriving at the office. The building looks modern and bright. I walk through the glass doors. I go to my desk. My workspace is clean and comfortable. I turn on my laptop. I check my emails carefully. I write my to-do list. I have a productive mood. Everything feels organized today. I enjoy working here. My coffee smells warm beside me. Sunlight comes through the windows. My desk looks neat and tidy. I feel focused and calm. The day is going very well. I am ready for my tasks. Now I am joining a meeting. My coworkers are already here. Everyone is smiling and friendly. We talk about new ideas. I listen very carefully. I write important notes. The meeting feels useful. I understand my next tasks. We share simple plans. Everything is very clear. I feel motivated again. My notebook is filling with ideas. The room feels bright and calm. I enjoy working with my team. Everyone has good energy. Now I can continue working. I feel inspired and positive. Now I am at the supermarket. I take a shopping basket. The aisles are colorful. I need fruit and milk. I choose fresh apples. Then I take bananas. I also buy strawberries. The store feels bright. Shopping helps me relax. I go to the checkout. I pay for my groceries. The fruit looks fresh and juicy. I walk slowly through the aisles. The shelves are full and neat. I enjoy this simple routine. My basket is nicely full. Now I am entering the restaurant. The lights feel warm and cozy. I choose a table by the window. I open the menu. Everything looks delicious. I order creamy pasta. I also order juice. Soon the food arrives. The pasta smells amazing. I take the first bite. Dinner tastes wonderful tonight. The sauce is rich and creamy. The juice is cold and sweet. I love the candlelight here. The evening feels peaceful. I feel relaxed and happy. This dinner is the perfect treat. Now I am walking in the city. The evening lights are glowing. The sky looks orange and pink. The air feels fresh. People are walking slowly. The streets feel peaceful. I love this quiet mood. The city looks magical. I take a deep breath. I enjoy the calm moment. Evening walks relax me. The shop lights look beautiful. The sky becomes darker slowly. I hear soft city sounds. Everything feels calm and safe. This is a perfect ending. I want to remember this moment. Now I am back home. I change into soft clothes. My home feels warm. I make a cup of tea. Then I sit on the sofa. The room feels cozy. I think about my day. Today was busy but nice. I enjoyed many small moments. Now I can fully relax. Quiet evenings make me happy. The tea smells soft and sweet. My blanket feels comfortable. The lamp gives warm light. I smile at the peaceful room. Home is my favorite place. I love ending my day here. Now I am in bed. I open my book. Reading helps me relax. The bedside lamp is soft. My room feels peaceful. I think about today. It was a happy day. I learned many things. I smile and close the book. Then I turn off the light. I close my eyes slowly. The moonlight shines softly. My blanket feels warm. The room is very quiet. I feel calm and sleepy. Tomorrow will be another lovely day. Good night and see you tomorrow.